The world economy is going through a rough phase right now, and so is India feeling jitters of it. But I think our economy is still faring far better than our friends in Europe and America. The Planning Commission hopes that we'll achieve a 9% growth for this 12th five-year plan. And I'm quite sure that we should be able to achieve that. I think the core areas that we need to focus on is infrastructure and energy. I think we need a lot of investment coming into infrastructure and energy, which would really push our growth to reach that level of a 12% GDP growth. Looking at real estate in particular, we have achieved 10.6% growth in 2006-7, and I am sure this growth is going to continue once we get through this jittery phase of the economy is just recovering and getting back into track. Service offices are always required, be it boom or recession. Companies always need flexible solutions to work from, where they don't have to bother about the daily hustle of fixing a light bulb or repairing the washrooms. They want a flexible solution where they can expand their offices when they want. They can contract as their business operations change and as their business needs change. A company could need a 100 workstation office on one day. Another 6 months down the line, they might need 200. Or a company might need a 6 workstation office today, and another 2 months down the line, they might realize that they just need another 3 seats to work from. Thanks to the good response we've got from our clients, I think we are all plans ahead to expand our presence in India, move into other areas, open new business centers where we can service our clients as well as we've been servicing here.